Guys, I'm in Berry, and whenever I come to Berry, it seems to be that these Gordonias, or fried egg plant or fried egg tree, they always seem to be in flower. They look like camellias, but they're not. But I really love these trees. They get covered in these beautiful white flowers with the yellow stamens for months and months through autumn and into winter. The bees absolutely love the nectar-filled flowers. The flowers are huge, as you can see. It's a glossy evergreen tree. Only small growing, grows about 5 meters high and about 5 meters wide. It is slow growing. It is very cold tolerant. It is a hardy tree. Here they're using them as street trees, but it would make a lovely small to medium shade tree for your garden as well. They're called Gordonias. They're very hard to find in nurseries, but now that I'm seeing them here, I'm going to try and track some down for you. So come and see us. Tim's Garden Centre.